Hello, today I'm going to discuss about the living world. This is for class 11. I have taken this chapter from NCERT book. You can also refer NCERT. So let's start. Okay. Yeah, first living organisms are very interesting by their characters. They can be found in any place, like I have already mentioned here. That is give me a moment, I'm just changing the color. Okay, here cold mountains, deciduous forests, oceans, deserts and hot springs. Almost all places are occupied by living organisms due to their varied shape, structure and adaptability to their surrounding. Now next point is they exhibit distinct characteristics, okay, which makes them different from non-livings. So they possess certain characteristics which differentiate them from the non-living. The major characters are growth, reproduction, ability to sense environment. Okay, uh, living organisms have the ability to self-replicate, self-organize and metabolism. That's why they possess unique characters and different from the non-living organisms. Okay, yeah. First character is growth. Increase in mass and increase in number of individual are twin characters of growth. The major two characters in the growth of organisms are increase in mass and increase in number. Okay, number. Growth especially occurs by cell division, that is mitosis, and through this mitotic cell division number of cells increase so that the smaller organism becomes adult. Okay, and the number of cells growing or increased number of growth leads to increased number of mass, and these two characters are indicators of growth. And multicellular organisms, growth occurs by cell division. Okay, in plants growth occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. In plant growth is indefinite. Throughout their life there are certain regions like root tips and leaves, stems. The cells in this location divide continuously and it prolongs through their lifespan. Okay, in animals growth is certain. Growth level occurs to a certain age, but some organisms can have the ability to regenerate, like skin cells, liver cells. Okay, but we can broadly say that growth is indefinite in plant and definite in animals. Non-living objects also grow. We cannot say that only the growth is the characteristics of living organism, but it has seen in some non-living organisms. For example, mountains, sand mounds grow. You know that mountains grow with time, and also sand mounds grow by deposition of more sands. Such growth happens by accumulation of material on the surface. Okay, the living growth is from the inside. In living organism growth is from the inside due to the cell division. Okay, but in non-living growth cannot be inside, it is outside by deposition or accumulation of materials. Okay, therefore growth cannot be taken as the defining property of all living organisms. Questions may ask why growth is not the defining property of living organisms. You can answer, living growth is also found in living and non-living. The difference is growth is from the inside of the body in living cell, but in non-livings growth is from outside. It is due to accumulation of substances, while growth occurs by cell division in living materials. So growth is not a defining property of living organisms. Okay, this is all about the one character of living organism, that is growth. You know what is living organism. In summary, we can say that there are some properties which which differentiate the living organism from non-living organism. This is growth, reproduction, respiration, metabolism. And living organisms are self-organizing, self-metabolizing, metabolic capability, and they can self-replicating, and also they can destroy themselves. That's why they are unique and possess a unique place in the biosphere. Okay, but non-living organisms also possess certain characters like growth. Okay, this is all about. Thank you. Bye.